My name is Harriet and this is my question. The first step in solving this question is finding which step you do first. Bedmass stands for bracket, exponents, division, multiplication, addition, and subtraction. So the first step in solving this equation is by doing the brackets. After we do the brackets, we do the exponents. Bedmass tells us that multiplication and division is the same, and we do it in the order it is written. The last step in our question is multiplication. This is how you solve a bedmass problem.